This is just going to be an unboxing. I don't have any opinion on these batteries as they're non-OEM, and I always suggest anyone with products to buy the OEM version. Hey, look at that. Our groundhog is out and about today. That's our groundhog. Okay, back to the video. Again, this is just an unboxing, a look at. I don't suggest non-OEM parts because it's a hit or miss. I'd say about 70% of the time I'm okay. Sometimes when you buy batteries that are not made for the product, they swell, they could explode, they catch fire, they could be very dangerous. So I don't suggest non-OEM products. This is just me doing it, and you shouldn't follow my suggestions. But if you were curious to see what was inside, because on the website it doesn't show you everything, so I'm going to give you a look at the charger, the actual battery, and to let you know if it worked in the GoPro 9. That's it. So this is the 2-pack version. Comes like this from Amazon, and it's USB rechargeable, so that means you just need a USB port. These are the actual batteries themselves, and this is the product, and this is some information. So this is everything unpacked. Let me just measure this here. It's about that big from top to bottom, that wide, and this thick, and this is where the USB port comes out of, so it's part of the case, which is pretty cool. It just doesn't dangle on the outside, so we can extend this about that much. That's the okay, and there. You know what, let me put it at the black end, and yep, about that long. Channel 1, channel 2, channel 3, I guess that's the indicators on top to let you know how it's charging. And some information. It says update with the GoPro app. Download and install the GoPro app from the Google Play Store or the Apple Store on your compatible mobile device. Ensure that your camera is fully charged. Pair your camera with your GoPro app. Once paired, the GoPro will prompt you that a camera update is available. Follow the on-screen prompts to perform the update. We are dedicated to provide the best possible service. To reach customer service, that'll all be at the end. It says, note, batteries will not work if you didn't update camera to the latest firmware. Repeatedly recharge after fully discharge several times to activate batteries. Charge batteries to 100%, 99% will die soon. Any issues, please feel free to contact customer service. So that's everything, and I'm just going to end the video letting you know whether it worked or not and how the update. Well, let me plug it in, put the batteries to charge, and see what happens. I have a USB battery bank. Oh, you know what? Let me plug it into the garage. I have a USB charger in the garage. I also wanted to mention, I don't know if you noticed, but there's an additional 2 ports that you can use. I'm assuming that if you have 3 batteries charging at the same time and you have a 4th battery in the camera, you can charge the camera either using probably USB-C, which is on the right. There's a micro USB connection also, so if you have something you need to charge, maybe a phone or tablet or whatever you're using with the GoPro, you can actually charge it with this, which is pretty cool. This is the original battery. I'm switching it out now for the battery the non-OEM battery that I was using today. I got about 2 hours, I got about the same amount of time as I would have with the OEM battery. So they work just fine. No heating up, no swelling, no nothing. So far so good. It just depleted. And as you can see, so the front, OEM, non-OEM, aftermarket. So you can clearly tell the difference. It worked. I had no issues whatsoever. I purchased 2 of these, so I'll be using them in conjunction with the regular GoPro batteries. Again, you use non-OEM batteries at your own risk. I already told you before, they sometimes swell, burn up, explode. I mean, there are issues with them, so be careful. Keep an eye on the non-OEMs. Make sure that you're always aware, even on the charger, that nothing's happening, that they're not swelling. They tend to swell before anything. So keep an eye on that, on any non-OEM battery. All right, so I hope you liked the video. I hope it helps in any way, shape, or form. Thank you. Bye.